how to sketch. So the basic things are like, what are the pencils that you should use while sketching? Normally we use 2B, 4B and 6B for sketching. What is the 2B, 4B and 6B? Let me tell you. You can see this is a pencil and here you see it's written 6B. Here it's written 6B. What do you mean by 6B? 6B means B means black. And here is the graphite. This is the graphite. The thickness of that graphite depends on this number actually. So the more you will get here, the number will increase. The thickness of the graphite will also increase. Freehand sketching. What is freehand sketching? Freehand sketching means without hesitating to draw a line when you are doing some sketch, that is freehand sketching. Let me tell you by doing something. You will ask to draw a line. Usually people used to draw like this. See? If someone will ask you to draw a line, we used to draw like this dot lines. Then we used to join those dots to make a line. But this is not the way. Actually, we are hesitating to draw something. So freehand means you should not hesitate to draw something. That should be spontaneous. See me, how I am doing. If I'll be asked to draw a line, straight line, simply I will draw like this. You can also take 2 points. Then if we will talk about vertical lines, then what is that vertical lines? From top to down. Apart from these lines, what else you should do? If you are drawing from this line, from left to right, you should also draw from right to left, like this. May or may not be all your lines are so perfect, but you have to draw freehand. You should hold the pencil like this, so a little bit towards the top, not like this. Your hand should be free. And again, like this, and like this. So these are the lines that you should practice. Apart from these lines, what else you should practice? You have to practice circle. Don't draw like this. Don't steep your hands. Your hand should move along with it. So these are the things that you should practice every day. This is your first lesson. So all of you are going to practice these things.